Hi guys! So welcome back to another episode of my vlog. And today is April 17 and it's currently 7:52 p.m. and right now is may pupuntahan ulit tayo na parang last week lang guys, kakagaling ko lang sa Romblon actually. So this time is sa Quezon Province naman, which is sa Patnanungan. Yung cellphone ko nalaglag. Sa Patnanungan. So nagre-ready na sila. Actually, guys, wala ako sa bahay. As you can see, nakilakanet ako. Dahil this time is yung family naman yung kasama ko. Kasi, nung nag-Romblon, family ko yung kasama. So, yeah, nagre-ready na sila and by 10 p.m. is aalis na kami dahil may schedule daw yung boat and mahaba-haba din kasi guys yung biyahe. I think 5 to 6 hours ata. So, see you later!
I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. Sleeping in my bed. So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I went wrong. But I can write a song. I belong with you. You belong with me, my sweetheart.
Good morning everyone. So today is the next day, which is the second day namin here. And it is currently 6:15 a.m. and medyo kakagising na namin. Pero nakapag freshen up na ako guys. So ang agenda today is magbo-boodle fight and mag-swimming lang siguro here. Kasi kahapon hindi kami nakaligo dahil ang dami naming ginawa. So guys, if you are wondering kung bakit kami ni Kenneth naka-tent tapos sila tita is may room. Actually, meron din kami dun sa tabi nila tita na space. Merong extra bed. Pwede kami dun. Kaso si Kenneth kasi nabalitaan niya ka Ate Hazel na madami nagte-tent dito. And nakaraan niya pa gusto mag-tent nung I think Ilocos pa lang daw. Tapos nung nag-Ilocos sila and nung sa Romblon. Kasi sa Romblon, wala naman kaming gagawin sa tent. Wala naman kaming paglalagyan ng tent. Kasi nga hindi naman kami nagtagal sa mga beaches na pinuntahan namin. So, nung nalaman ni Kenneth guys na pwedeng mag-tent here is nagdala siya ng tent. And ang ganda pala guys, okay din pala na naka-tent. Kasi presko naman. Yung extra, actually wala kaming dalang bed na ilalagay dito sa tent. Kaso, yun nga yung extra bed namin sana kila tita. Yung bed sana namin doon sa tabi nila tita is minove namin here sa tent. Kaya nakahiga kami ng maayos. And ang daming naka-tent na yun dito guys. Actually, ang dami. So, okay din pala siya guys. Kasi ang presko. Tapos gigising ka na ganyan yung view mo. Okay naman. Saka sabi kasi ni Kenneth guys, kaya gusto niya mag-tent is para feel na feel lang nasa dagat siya. So, hi Nanet. Kasi Una. 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 Pagdilong. Pagod na ako.
Ano ba? Steve.
Some piece of advice, guys. Mas minsan okay din na mag-take kayo ng break and mag-enjoy, lalo na nowadays nagiging stressful na lahat ng bagay, hindi lang school, hindi lang sa ACADS, work, business, and even yung mga nasa bahay, guys, lahat nakakaramdam na ng stress. Kaya mas much better din talaga minsan na mag-take kayo ng break at mag-enjoy. Tapakan.
Ano mo kumuha yung alam? Walang si Virgin.
Saan nyo kinuha yan?
Sa puno po. Alam mo.
Malamang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Kinakatang pa o. Ano nan yan?
Good morning, everyone. It is our day 3 here. And as you can see, nakagayak ako. Kasama ko si Kenneth. And guess what? Kasama kami sa island hopping. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan. Pero one thing's for sure is yung isa dun is sandbar. So, isasama ko na lang kayo, guys. Ha?
Lalo po ako.
Ano yung stranded lang sila dito? So this is our first destination and later on, yung second ba? Sandbar na ba? Hindi ko sure guys kung sandbar eh, pero let's see. Ganda nung dagat. Look. Napaka-clear. Ginagawa mo dyan. Hi guys, so we are here now at Sandbar and time check, it is 10:28 and medyo kakarating lang namin guys. So nagsiswimming na sila, ako magliliwaliw muna dito sandali. Guys, sobrang ganda dito, as in, napakita ko sa inyo. So hanggang dun siya guys, as you can see, nasa gitna to ng dagat. And look. Tapos guys, yung water sobrang clear. is our, I think, 4th day here. And it is currently 12:26 ng tanghali. And kakatapos lang namin guys mag-lunch. Hindi ko kayo na-update kanina guys kasi wala naman, nag-swimming lang kami kanina. And today's agenda is wala naman masyadong ganap, kundi mag-swimming na lang kami. And mag-relax dahil tomorrow is uuwi na din kami guys ng maaga. Maaga no, 7 ata kami guys uuwi. Hey guys, so it is our last day here. And ang itim ko na. So it is our last day here guys. So nakapag-pack na all goods na. Naghihintay na lang kami sunduin dito. And by the way, it is currently 8:02 AM. And nakagayak na kami. All goods, all packed. So waiting na lang.